If you also want to earn $95 like me using this easy site that I want to introduce to you today, you need to stay with me until the end of the video. I will teach you how you can, on this site that I want to show you today, can earn between $70 to $95 daily just by a few clicks a day, playing games and completing surveys. Reach an income of $5. Hello my dear friends, thank you so much for watching the video up to this point and for definitely supporting the previous videos. Look guys, today I want to teach you how you can earn dollars automatically by mining on this site. You just need to have your own Faucet Pay account according to the site I am going to introduce to you today. You can search for an email, keys on Google, open the Faucet Pay site and register. When you register, it will ask for your email, so enter the same email in this field and click on the Start Mining button. It's that easy. To start your dollar income completely automatically even while sleeping or playing games. And even in your leisure time, have your dollar income and achieve financial independence in your life. You can, like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, earn between $70 to $95 daily for yourself and experience daily dollar income without any effort or special work that you need to do. If you click on the deposit option, you can now invest on the site using this section. If you click on the payout option, you can make your withdrawal using this site, which does not have a specific minimum withdrawal limit. And you can withdraw your dollar income by working on this site for less than 10 minutes. This section is also for referrals, where you can earn up to 5% hini of your referral income. It's completely free to increase your referral income by up to 5% and earn 5% from your referrals income. Using this referral link that you see, you can reach the income I just mentioned. Of course, in this video I introduced two sites to you, and this was the first site. Let's move on to the second site, which gives you the digital currency Tron completely free. You can register by using the sign up option above and by entering a username and a password, and repeat the password and an email. And now, by solving the CAPTCHA, you can reach the daily dollar income I mentioned to you. By using these two sites that I just introduced to you, you can achieve the desired income. Just make sure to definitely follow the method I'm about to tell you so that you can have a very good income using these two sites. As you can see above, I currently have nearly 24 TRX at my disposal, and I can show you with proof of withdrawal right before your eyes how you can achieve a dollar income and financial independence in your life. For example, I say I put 4 TRX in the middle, and by playing this game carefully, I withdrew 1 TRX for myself from the 4 TRX, and now my account balance has increased from 24 TRX to 26 TRX. If you click on the faucet option on the site's dashboard, you can earn income for free from this section. However, if you don't want to earn income for free, you can deposit some TRX or Tron for yourself, Mochi, and easily play various games through that section to significantly increase your income. If we click on the affiliate option, you can earn a much higher dollar income from this section based on the number of referrals you gather. I will explain more about it later in the video, and I will even make a separate video for it. So you can earn a much higher dollar income using this section. If we click on the transaction option, now you can see the payments that this site has previously made for me. If I click on the withdraw option, you can make your withdrawal from this section and transfer it to your exchange account or wallet. You can spend it and achieve financial independence in your life. Using the methods I mentioned in this video, make sure to click the subscribe button on the channel and turn on the page bell so that you can be notified and come to see the first video I post. If you want and truly desire to reach this dollar income that you are seeing now, definitely subscribe to the channel and announce it in the comments so I can make more videos. I have a lot of support for you. Goodbye for now.